What if the biggest thing stopping your success is a thought you repeat every single day? The quality of your life is often the quality of your thinking. Today we are exploring the powerful lessons from the book You Become What You Think and learning English vocabulary you can actually use in daily conversations. Let's begin. Most people believe that success starts with talent or luck. This book argues something different. Everything begins with your thoughts. Your mind creates your habits. Your habits shape your actions. Your actions build your future. If you constantly tell yourself that you cannot do something, your brain starts believing it. But when you train your mind to look for opportunities instead of problems, your life slowly changes. Small thoughts repeated every day become powerful beliefs. That is why successful people protect what they think about. Now let's learn our first useful word. Word 1, mindset. Mindset means the way you think about yourself or a situation. Example, she changed her mindset and started believing she could learn English. Let's continue. The author explains that your environment also influences your thinking. Spend time with people who encourage you. Read books that inspire you. Listen to ideas that challenge you to improve. Your thoughts grow stronger when you feed them positive information. Word 2, perspective. Perspective means a particular way of seeing or understanding something. Example, travel gave him a new perspective on life. The book reminds us that failure is not proof that you are incapable. Failure is feedback. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Instead of asking, why did I fail? Ask, what can I learn? That simple question changes everything. Word 3, resilient. Resilient means able to recover quickly after difficulties. Example, successful entrepreneurs are resilient because they keep trying after setbacks. The author also encourages readers to replace negative self-talk with empowering language. The words you speak to yourself matter. Phrase 1, believe in yourself. It means have confidence in your own abilities. Example, you need to believe in yourself before others will believe in you. As your confidence grows, your actions become more consistent. Small improvements every day create remarkable results over time. Phrase 2, step out of your comfort zone. It means do something that feels challenging or unfamiliar. Example, speaking English with strangers helped her step out of her comfort zone. Growth never happens where everything feels comfortable. Every challenge teaches you something new. Phrase 3, keep moving forward. It means continue making progress even when things become difficult. Example, even after failing the exam, he decided to keep moving forward. The biggest lesson from this book is simple. Your future starts with today's thoughts. Choose thoughts that help you grow. Protect your mindset. Learn continuously. Take action every day, because eventually you become what you repeatedly think. If you enjoyed learning English through motivational books, subscribe to Read Up Daily on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook for daily vocabulary, reading practice, and English conversations that improve your real-life communication.